there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make sure you spend your money wisely and avoid those buyer's remorse blues. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two titans, the Ender 3v2 Neo and the AnkerMake M5C. Grab your popcorn because it's going to be an epic showdown. Let's kick things off with the question everyone's asking. How much will these bad boys set you back? The Ender 3v2 Neo is like the budget-friendly superhero swooping in at $199. Meanwhile, the AnkerMake M5C is the swanky high roller, flexing its $399 price tag. If you're on a tight budget, Ender 3v2 Neo has your back. But if you've got that extra cash to spend, AnkerMake M5C is calling your name. Next up, ease of assembly. Because who wants to spend hours putting together a printer when you could be printing, a life-sized Yoda? The Ender 3v2 Neo is practically a snap-together toy. 3 steps and you're ready to roll. Even your cat could put this together. Probably. Now the AnkerMake M5C also promises an easy setup with its integrated design. But let's be honest, it's not as breezy as our friend Neo over here. It's like comparing IKEA furniture to, IKEA furniture, but without the Allen wrench. On to auto bed leveling. Because manual leveling is so last decade. The Ender 3v2 Neo sports a CR Touch 16-point auto bed leveling system. It's like having a Roomba for your print bed. It does the work. You take the credit. But wait, the AnkerMake M5C one-ups it with a 49-point 7x7 auto bed leveling. This thing is so precise, it could probably level your entire house. Overkill? Maybe. Awesome? Definitely. Now, let's talk speed and quality. Because nobody likes waiting, and we all want our prints looking sharp. The Neo is your reliable workhorse. It gets the job done at a standard pace with solid quality. Think of it as the Toyota Corolla of 3D printers. But the AnkerMake M5C? This beast can hit 500 millimeters per second while still maintaining 0.1 millimeters precision. It's the Ferrari of 3D printers, fast, flashy, and makes you look good. Finally, let's dive into user interface and connectivity. Because in this digital age, who wants to be tethered to a machine? The Neo's got a brand new 4.3-inch UI that's as friendly as your grandma's cookies. Plus, it supports 9 languages. Bonjour, hello, hola. But the M5C? It's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and you can control it from your phone with the AnkerMake app. You could literally be at a beach in Bali and start a print. Talk about living the dream. Online reviews highlight that the Ender 3v2 Neo is praised for its ease of assembly, quiet operation, and solid print quality, especially for its price. On the other hand, the AnkerMake M5C is lauded for its fast printing speeds, robust build, and convenient app integration, though it comes with a higher price tag and some noise during operation. So there you have it, folks. The Ender 3v2 Neo and the AnkerMake M5C, 2 epic 3D printers, each with their own flair. If you're balling on a budget, the Neo's your go-to. But if you've got some extra cash to splash and need that high-speed, high-precision life, go for the M5C. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below, smash that like button if you had a laugh, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic product showdowns. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!